Hello, just want to make a quick video on the EVO remote start unit, plug and play unit sold on Amazon. I bought this one from Lesco Electric. There is one on eBay very similar to it also. This one has a little bit better price. I just wanted to give you a few tips on how to install this that is not on the other video on the 2013 Ford Edge. This works for all early key start Ford Edges. The video is really good. It doesn't show the only two leads that you do have to connect, which goes to the ODBE. For somebody that's not real good with a soldering gun, I suggest that you go to the local auto store and buy some of these piggyback clips. This is a little too large, and all they do is they clip over the existing wire, and then you stick this wire in the clip, and basically it does not harm the original wire, and you can pull it off anytime you don't want it. Basically everything else is plug and play. A little bit harder than the video shows. The actual immobilizer plug that's on top of the ignition barrel is very hard to reach. It took me about 20 minutes to get it out. My fingernails were not long enough to push down on the tab to get it out, but I finally did, and you can't get but one hand up there at a time. Basically, you also get a very complicated drawing. You don't need all this. Everything is pre-wired for you except the two leads going to the ODBE. This did not work for me because I did not have the two original OEM keys. I thought I did because, of course, the video shows that you must have the SA stamped on the key. The Ford dealer made me a key, and evidently it was a copy and not the other second key, so my remote did not work. Other videos show you that you do have to have the two original equipment keys. If you're not sure, I go to the Ford dealer and make sure before you buy the unit. Overall, I think it's a good product and a good value for what they charge for it. Thank you.